Got tons of mixed files? Let me show you how to sort them all in seconds. That's exactly where File Organizer comes in to make this process fast, clean, and automatic. First, start by selecting the folder that contains the files you want to organize or move. You can also choose whether the destination is the same folder or a completely different one. You even have the option to pick multiple folders from different locations on your device. So if your files are scattered across different places, you can bring them all in at once. After selecting your folders, just click this button, and the tool will scan and list all the file types extensions found inside. Now choose what to do, move or copy, it's totally up to you. For example, let's say you only want to move files that contain a specific word like submission in their names. Simply type that word in the keyword search field and enter a name for the new folder in target folder name. The tool will find just those files and move them for you. But if you have a large folder full of mixed file types and you want to automatically sort them into separate folders by extension, just leave keyword search and target folder name empty, hit Start Organizer, and the tool will handle the rest. So for example, all PDF files will go into a folder named PDF, RFA files into a folder named RFA, and so on. And here's the cool part, the tool also creates a full log of everything it does, file names, destination folders, timestamps, and whether each file was moved or copied. And that's the File Organizer tab. It really helps you organize your files fast and professionally. If you like the tool, I'd love to hear your thoughts or any suggestions in the comments. Looking forward to your feedback. Thanks a lot.